To use green screen on your Capcut, all you have to do is open up your Capcut and then click on New Project. Click on the video that you would like to apply a green screen on. And what you have to make sure is that you should have your original video and the video with a green screen. So then after choosing your video, click on Add. And now you have your video. So what you have to do is on the bottom side you will have a bunch of options, and go and search for overlay and then click on overlay, and then you have an option which says add overlay. Click on that and now choose your green screen. So this is my green screen that I would like to apply. So after that, click on add, and now you can see that you have your green screen on the top of your original video. So simply using your two fingers, you can just elaborate or shorten the video. And after picking up the right size, all you have to do is go and search for cutout option. And under cutout, you have these three options. Click on chroma key. And under chroma key, you will have to choose the background that you would like to remove. So I'm picking the black one that I would like to remove. And after that, you have an option which says intensity. Click on that and then choose your intensity that you would like to make in this video. So I'll be choosing this much. And after that, you can also choose shadow, and then you can like edit that one also. And after choosing those, click on the tick button which you have on the bottom right. And that's it. That's how you can use a green screen on Capcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.